subscribe now and press the bell.
Good evening student, I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss on topic metal. Chemically, it is defined as an element that loses 1, 2 or 3 electrons from its outermost shell called as metal. Example, lithium, beryllium, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, potassium, calcium, copper, zinc, iron. In this way, these are the examples of metals, and they have following properties like they are malleable, ductile, they are good conductor of heat, they are sonorous. So these are the features of metal. Now we have to see that chemically how it loses its electron from its outermost shell. Now here example is given like lithium. We know that lithium here it is denoted as atom, in which we know that 1s2 2s1. We know that Z of lithium is 3, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s1 and its electron are 3. It is a lithium atom where electrons is 3, whereas when it loses its outermost shell 1 electron, then it gets 1 positive charge, then electron is 2 because it loses 1 electron from its outermost shell. In this way, we know that lithium is a metal as chemically. Now we see the next example. In beryllium, we know that the Z of beryllium is 4, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s2. Now here electrons are 4, and where when its outermost shell, we know that its outermost shell in which 2 electrons present, it loses its 2 electrons and it becomes plus 2 charge, then it is beryllium positive ion. So here electron is 2 in beryllium ion, and in beryllium atom electron is 4. In this way, we know that as defined as it loses electrons are called metal. So we see the next example. In sodium, we see that sodium it is given as atom, and its electronic configuration is cell wise given 1s2 2s2 2p6 and 3s1, and its outermost shell in which 1 electron is present, so it loses 1 electron, so here it gets plus 1 charge. Then in this way sodium ion 10 electrons are available whereas in sodium atom contain 11 electrons. Like this, we see in magnesium element, we know that Z of magnesium is 12. So we write electronic configuration as a cell-wise 282, where in detail 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s2. It is the outermost cell, so it loses its electron and it got +2 charge. In this way, in magnesium atom, electron is 12, whereas in magnesium ion, electron is 10. In this way, it loses its 2 electrons from its outermost shell. Like this, we see in aluminium, we know that Z of aluminium is 13. So we write electronic configuration in short 283, where 3 is present in outermost shell, so it loses 3 electrons and it gets +3 charge. In this way, in aluminium atom, electron is 13, whereas in aluminium ion, electron is 10, because it loses 3 electrons from its outermost shell. Like this, we see in potassium, we know that Z of potassium is 19, so we write electronic configuration 2, 8, 8 and 1. 2 that is come in K cell, 8 that comes in L cell and 8 that comes in M cell and 1 that comes in N cell. In this way, its outermost cells that present 1 electron, it loses its 1 electron and it gets +1 charge. So potassium and here electrons is 18, whereas in potassium atom electron is 19. Like this, we see in calcium, we know that the Z of calcium is 20, so we write electronic configuration 2 that comes in K cell, 8 that comes in L cell and 8 that comes in M cell and 2 that comes in N cell. So its outermost cell, it loses its electrons and gets +2 charge. In this way, in calcium atom, electron is 20, whereas in calcium ion, electron is 18. In this way, we derive metals from various elements. First, we have to understand about the metals and its features, and in this way we have to derive the metals by losing its outermost shell's electron. When it loses 1, 2 or 3 electrons from its outermost shell, so it is known as metal. If you like this video, give comments. Thanks for watching this video.